Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stella Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
Today you have come to Goa. The CM has made a statement here last night saying that for the next 50 years the government, Congress will not be able to form the government and Rahul Gandhi will not be the PM. How do you look at it, sir?
I think he should change his astrologer. No, I think we're already seeing in the first couple of phases a very positive trend amongst the public. The public is increasingly disenchanted with the BJP government at the centre, and I'm expecting already in this election a bit of a shock for the BJP government. As I said yesterday, I don't think 400 par is even going to be repeated by them. 300 par is impossible. 200 par is looking challenging for them, and I think we will see how it all works out. At the moment, the campaigning is going very well across the country, and in the first two phases, all the indications from the turnout, from the voting patterns, are that the BJP is losing ground. So let's wait and see. I'll be seeing you all once I've had a little bit of time to campaign in Goa. We'll talk again.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.